So in the last video, you guys saw that I got an alignment for the car, and now we are ready to do the first couple pulls to see if she hooks, and I honestly think she's gonna hook. This isn't gonna be like a normal reaction video. I got Najib in the car, he's gonna be filming, and then we got the GoPro in the windshield, so we are gonna get a little bit of a reaction, but we're pretty much just gonna do some pulls in first gear and second gear to see if this new tire setup hooks. I have ET Street R's in the back, 305 45 18s on these Weld S71s, and I got the skinnies in the front, so we are ready to party, boys. I'm letting it warm up right now, and then probably do second and then a first gear pull. I'll keep it to a minimum, probably 3 pulls, because I do not, I'm telling you, I gotta start being careful with this car. After 85 in cams, I gotta start being very careful, but I'm still on 93. It's a full bolt-on 93 car on a full drag setup, so let's see how she does, boys. Let's see how she does. Will these hook? Let's see. Alright. Will she hook, Najib?
I'm hoping.
She's gonna hook.
She should hook. If no, it's kind
She's gonna hook.
Cool.
My IAT2s are at 66.
Damn, we're finna be pulling. It's boost weather.
Alright, let's just go ahead and restart. Yeah, make sure you put the seal plug on.
No, don't fly out.
So I definitely want to put my suspension on sport. I'm gonna put my steering wheel on sport, but I want to turn off advanced track off. Advanced track off. Alright, so we have the advanced track off. I already turned it off. So we have advanced track off because I don't want anything like, because if I keep a traction control on and it hooks, it might, like, I don't know.
No, yeah.
Yeah. So we got advanced track all the way off, and we have the steering on sport and the suspension on sport. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous. I'll go ahead and hit this. So we got a good ways to get to Mexico. Mexico's over here. So we gotta drive that.
Gotta drive all the way to Mexico.
Probably start off with a second gear. So for the people that are new to the channel, I'll just tell you all the mods on the car right now. So we'll start off with a JLT 123 cold air intake. We got a Whipple 68mm throttle body. We have a 2.4 upper, stock lower. Stock blower is unported. We have a killer chiller on the car. And I mean, just now it's on a tire, so pretty much just full bolt on. Still on 93. Pump gas. Oh my god, the exhaust. Full exhaust, American Racing 1/7/8 long tube headers with the off-road X pipe and Borla Attack muffler. So it's full exhaust, full bolt-on car. It should move. So, all right, boys, we're gonna start with the second gear. I'm not gonna have enough space, but we'll just see if she hooks. We'll get it up to like lights or anything. I don't know why I'm so paranoid, guys. Maybe it's because of my last 5.0. Well, you know, let's go first. We're gonna do first.
Right here, right here. But as soon as you slammed it in the second, oh my god, it just took off. Bro.
I'm not prepared. I am not prepared at all.
That second gear caught me a little off guard, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh my god.
Like you said, my soul left my body.
The first pull, like my soul, like my back hit and then my soul stayed.
Oh my god.
And the front just feels so much more light.
It did, I'm not gonna lie, it was picking up like.
I want to get it high RPM though. Are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, we are hooking now.
Hooking and booking.
We are hooking and booking now, boys. No more spinning. Okay, so first, maybe this is not the type of weld. Maybe it needs a good ass burnout.
Yeah.
So
I'm not gonna lie.
I just wanted to test it out, but
I mean, that was better than my first.
I mean, it spins up top. Like it starts hooking, but then it starts spinning up top. I don't know if you noticed. Like I hit it and then.
I mean, I can like hear it in the exhaust, but I mean, it flies.
Gosh, that second gear is good. And it's not even at my 60-year-old, that's at a 50. I don't want to go too high.
Oh my god.
Hey, this bitch hugs, bro. I bet my soul left my body.
Yes, sir.
We're ready for Dallas.
Ready. Boy.
We're ready to send it. It's been a little bit since I filmed this morning. I ended up washing my car a little bit, just a quick wash. I mean, she's looking way better than earlier. But I just wanted to film in this video a couple pulls with the new wheel and tire setup. And yes, she hooks. I literally only went from second to third and took it like halfway into third. I didn't even want to go into fourth. So we just wanted to see if these right here could lay the power down. And definitely lays the power down. You can see my reflection. There's no dent. In the burnout video, you guys spotted a dent. So I'm gonna let you guys spot that again. Where's the dent? Literally the lighting underneath the bridge, like as soon as it got dark and the lighting all around, I really don't know how it made it look like I have a fat dent. Like there was literally like 2 seconds where you can see it and everybody like noticed it. You guys can notice anything. Oh my gosh. You're gonna be like something spotted at 3:43 or some shit. I don't know how you guys can see it. I didn't even notice it while I was editing. I just put the clip and next thing you know, I see all the comments, like most of the comments saying that there's a huge dent and what happened. But I can guarantee you guys this car is perfect and there's nothing wrong with it. But yeah, I gave it a little wash, but then I drove it down the street and started getting a little more dirty. But at least it looks better than before, so